Hi, I'm Jeff Orszak. I'm Director of Business Technology and Innovation at Connstep. Connstep is Connecticut's Manufacturing Extension Partnership representative. The MEP network is 51 centers across all states in Puerto Rico that help to serve manufacturers in process improvement, growth, and in general in business improvement. One thing that's important to note about the MEP network is it delivers a 14.5 to 1 return on the taxpayer's investment. So for every dollar that the federal government has invested in the MEP network, manufacturers should have gained $14.5 in increased productivity. Connstep has services that range across the needs of manufacturers, including business growth, strategic planning, continuous improvement is one of our hallmark activities, quality management systems, workforce development, supporting cybersecurity, especially around the requirements of the Defense Department, and moving into assisting companies with technology in the Industry 4.0. As George mentioned earlier, it's important to note that, as you know, continuous improvement is all about waste reduction. And as George noted, some of these technologies are being built to help with waste reduction, and Industry 4.0 and technology in general is going to be the next step in productivity increases for Connecticut's manufacturers. So a little bit about the benefits of AI to manufacturers. First of all, in operations, we've heard about increased performance, increases in throughput, increases in quality, right? Those are all hallmarks that have been discussed today. The visual systems to help with quality inspection, understanding throughput and improved production planning. In the workforce side, we'll get improved decision-making. We want to build intelligent systems where people are dealing with exceptions and the systems are working on regular processes. Improved collaboration as we have better access to data and models, and reduction in risk across the production process as we understand where our production processes will be going. And then sustainability. As we reduce scrap rates, we will improve material usage. As George discussed earlier, and we've seen in other cases, there's a real key to using AI to help us with improved manufacturability. That will also decrease material usage and increase machine lifetime. And we know that machine monitoring has been one of the hallmarks of AI so far. So a little bit about where AI is being used in manufacturing. First of all, in energy management, we'll start to see improvements in energy usage and the benefits of efficiency as we improve production processes. Looking at supply chains more deeply, understanding our material supply, understanding our forecasting better, and understanding the ability to manage our supply chain, both from what our customers want and what our vendors are able to give us. Improving production processes. We've seen a lot today about how AI is going to help with production processes, including building in systems where we can predict where parts will go and what's needed. Think about Google Maps for your production floor. What if you know a part's going to fail and you can remove it earlier? Or what if you know a part is going to need certain rework and we can push it into that process earlier? These are all benefits that we'll get from AI. Health and safety. We saw earlier the vision inspection system used for safety monitoring. How do we build compliance into what we're doing and understand the values of that? Obviously, improved quality, the visual inspection that was mentioned, understanding piece parts, understanding variabilities in our processes, and building models around that. And lastly, as I mentioned already, machine maintenance has been a real hallmark of AI so far. What's critical of all of these aspects is really putting the models together and starting to build the applications that will help us to understand our production processes better and improve productivity. And so how do you start to build this into a manufacturing basis, and how do small manufacturers in particular start to use these models? First, you need to understand your company's situation and do an assessment against that. Then build a roadmap of technology solutions that work best for you. One thing that will be important as we move towards AI is to build data management and understand our data flow, right? Having access to your data, understanding where it is, its pedigree, will be crucial to successful model implementation. And then make sure you build a business case. And we want to start with business cases that are small and practical and will have benefits in the near term, so that we can build real results into our change, our transformation, and from that we can build into more model cases and deeper next steps. And then lastly, vigorously measure your results so that you're able to understand the return on investment that you see and can apply those to next steps. And so just want to say, if you're looking to implement technology in your company, feel free to reach out to us. We can help connect you with good resources, great partners with UConn and CCAT, and we'll make sure that we build a model that will be successful for your business. Thank you.